Got an SSC over here, Ultimate Aero. My first time seeing one of these in person. 6 or 7 inches wider than this over here. Got an in-house V8, 1287 horsepower.
Understand the tremendous
and we missed the damn startup.
The president of Special Olympics Connecticut.
1287. I better go chase this car. Got the Ultimate Aero coming up.
I can't get photos because everyone's in it. That's what.
This thing gained recognition as the fastest car in the world in 2007. It's got insane performance. I never thought I'd see it.
These are route 3 back into the
of Special Olympics Connecticut.
1287. I better go chase this car. Got the Ultimate Aero coming up.
I can't get photos because everyone's in it. That's what.
Got an SSC over here, Ultimate Aero. My first time seeing one of these in person. 6 or 7 inches wider than this over here. Got an in-house V8, 1287 horsepower.
Understand the tremendous
and we missed the damn startup.
The president.
This thing gained recognition as the fastest car in the world in 2007. It's got insane performance. I never thought I'd see it.
These are route 3 back into the